Good morning guys, hope you're all well and welcome back to another video for Motorhome Retrofits. So last week, because it's Monday now for us, last week Martin has been working hard on this 2024 Swift Kon-Tiki Grand Prix 874. Just going to check on that. Yes, so the Kon-Tiki is a well-known model anyway, single and tag axle vehicles, big long vehicles, but this is the Grand Prix 874. So 2024, it's been into us for our very, very popular 360-degree high-definition camera system, but the video we're doing today is about the laser lights. Now, as long as it's on a Fiat Ducato base, we can fit the laser lights. This is a grille integration kit, and this particular customer has gone for the Elite. So the Elite basically means that there's no daytime running lights or position marker lights. They work solely on when you are flashing or putting your high beam forward. But the Elite is the longest and widest throw or light output for the laser lights themselves. Now Martin has cut specific parts out of this Swift or the Fiat grille here to allow for the new brackets to hold onto these IP waterproof lights and then position them. The wiring gets taken in through the vehicle, wired into the back of the lighting, as well as also for the high beam, so that when you're driving down the road and you want to flash somebody, which Martin's about to do now, okay, so you're flashing someone to let them out or whatever else, then you've got your standard headlights on high beam, you've also got the laser lights. But if you're driving and you're going down a country lane, you can push the high beam forward, and you're going to see now that you've got the standard factory headlights on and the high beam, but you've also got the laser lights on. Now the customer might want to adjust the beam pattern here to lower down or higher up. It's completely up to him. But we're now doing more and more of these laser light kits, and with the grille integration kit, it makes for an absolutely smashing bit of kit and very, very popular. So this is the Lazer Lights Elite. It's the Triple-R 750 fitting into this 2024 Swift motorhome, and it's the Kon-Tiki model. If you've got a vehicle like this and want a set of laser lights to light up your road at night, then please do get in touch with us. We'll ask you for pictures for compatibility and then can give you a price and give you a quote accordingly. Product is on our website and we've done quite a few videos on YouTube. Now another video we're going to do for this in a minute is also going to be for the 360, so stay tuned for next video on the 360, and thank you for watching.